Hey, what's up guys? This is Abhinav here. Apple Watch Series 10 is the thinnest Apple Watch ever with the biggest display. Get healthy insights with the Vitals app, new depth and water temperature sensors for aquatic adventures. It is the fastest charging Apple Watch ever with 80% charge in 30 minutes. You can customize activity rings to match your lifestyle. It has Apple's first wide-angle OLED display with 2000 nits. The screen is brighter when viewed from an angle, making it easier to read with a quick glance. The SIP digital crown speaker, front crystal and antenna of the watch are re-engineered to make it thin. You can see the difference in this picture. It has 30% more screen than Series 4, 5, 6 and SE. It comes with jet black aluminium, rose, gold and silver. It comes with 3 polished titanium finishes, natural, gold and slate. Series 10 weighs 20% less than Series 9 in stainless steel. You can get 8 hours of sleep tracking with just 8 minutes of charge. With ECG app, you can generate a ECG similar to a single lead ECG. With heart rate app, you will be notified for high, low and irregular heart rate. Vitals app shows metrics about blood oxygen, heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature and sleep duration. Cycle tracking app with sensors tracks your temperature while you are asleep. New water temperature sensor gives more information for your swim workouts. There are different exercise options. You can control activity rings. There's a new Tides app. The Oceanic app helps tracking time, maximum depth, direction and other metrics while you are underwater. There's a smart stack, new translate app. There's a cellular option, wallet app, precision finding. You can play music and podcasts with AirPods or the watch speaker. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services and share location. It can automatically detect if you have taken a hard fall or been in a severe car crash. And there's SOS service, check-in feature, assistive touch, voiceover and wheelchair workouts, on-device Siri, up to 18 hours battery and 36 hours in low power mode with fast charging. Now Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes with new black titanium case, 49mm, 3000 nits with water resistance up to 100 meters with IP66 dust resistance. There's action button, up to 36 hours battery with normal use and 72 hours in low power mode and 17 hours with outdoor workout with low power mode. It has precision dual frequency GPS, utilizes advanced satellite and signal models. There's heart rate zone feature, it's when you're right on a running track. There's pacer and race route features, exercise control. You can see live activity on iPhone. You can pair Ultra 2 to Bluetooth accessories. There's multi-sport feature, freestyle workouts. See WhatsApp next. And custom workouts from third-party apps. There's compass feature. You can make your own trails, hiking workout, offline maps, etc. You can make diving up to 40 meters depth. There's some Oceanic and Tide app features. That's all about the two new watches. Thanks for watching.